Hi there racers and welcome to my Racefan Rob vlog, this time in English. And why is that? Well, I got this package in the mail today and it contains a Max Verstappen 1/4 scale helmet. And I've got a few of his scale helmets, but not a 1/4 scale. And this one is from the Austrian Grand Prix from this year, from like a week ago. And I was there. It was, well, a bit messy, I tell you. The race was good and Charles Leclerc won, unfortunately, because I'm a Max Verstappen fan. And the fans, quote unquote, started to wreck the circuit, which I particularly didn't like. But anyway, let's get to the helmet and let's open it. Oh, I'm curious, What will it be like? Plastic bags. Ooh. Wow. Oh wow, look at it. It's quite big actually. Look at this. I mean, wow. It's not like a fist, it's a bit, well, it depends how big your fist is, of course, but and it's got some nice artwork too, because this is a special helmet. His standard helmet is white, but this one has got blue and something drops out. Bright yellow stripes on it. Well, there you go. It's quite big. And I'll make a comparison with my other helmet I have, because I have some 1/5 scale, no, I'm lying, 1/8 scale helmets and some 1/2 scale helmets. So how do these compare? But first, can I take off this lid? I don't know. It's got these pegs on the underside, but I don't think so. Oh wow, it's got even, can you see, it's even got this blue interior, like it's real like fabric. Oh man, I gotta show you guys this. Oh, let's pry it open. Do I have a cloth anywhere? Okay, so I managed to open the lid. Yes, I did it. Finally. I did it with this tool. I got it with an opening set for an iPhone, or I believe, yeah, it's to pry open an iPhone. Oh well, just a piece of metal. Maybe you can do it with a screwdriver to bend these pegs here. Anyway, doesn't matter. Here it is, the helmet, and here is the interior, which is, can you hear it? Cloth. It's cloth. And even the visor can open, but yeah, the details around the opening in the helmet aren't so great. And the opening is, well, kind of small, and the padding is a bit thick. So here should be a black edge. So I don't think it's very nice. So you better keep the visor shut, I think. But all in all, a nice helmet. With the transparent vents here on top. What's this? Oh, that's the chin piece. This is, oh, it's in the back. This is a little piece that should be mounted on the chin of the helmet. It's like a deflector or some aerodynamic piece. It's transparent, so well, all the advertisement on the helmet stays visible. Well, there you have it. This is the 1 in 2 scale helmet, obviously, because it's quite big. This is my new helmet in 1 in 4 scale, and this helmet is in 1 in 8 scale. This one is from the Austrian Grand Prix 2018, which I attended because I like to buy car models from Max Verstappen and helmets on races where I actually was. He won this race, and this cost me around, I think, 30 or 35 euros. So this is 1 in 8 scale. And to compare it with the 1 in 4 scale, I'll keep it side by side. There you go, you can see it's just one complete scale bigger. So it's like 4 of these helmets in one of these. This helmet cost me 60 euros. 60 euros, including the display case and the artwork, which I didn't show you too much about, but it's all in the same style of the helmet. It's quite nice. You shouldn't throw it away, but keep it. It's got this authenticity sticker on it. There you go, Austrian Grand Prix 2022, 1 in 4 scale. Made by Schubert. So Schubert is the actual helmet manufacturer of Max Verstappen's helmets. So that's quite cool. And this is the 1 in 2nd scale helmet. And if you compare it with the 1 in 4th, you see 4 of those 1 in 4 scale fit in one in 2nd scale helmet. And this helmet is of the Spa Grand Prix 2021, and I was there too. It was a very short race of about 2 laps, I believe. And this helmet cost me 160 euros. It's fully sold out, this one, and it's really nice because it's got this cloth, orange cloth inside, and even the strap in it with a buckle and all. It's really nice. I think 1 in 4 scale is really nice. I mean, even the pedestal of the helmet has got some prints on it, like Austrian Grand Prix 2022, Red Bull Racing, and the Max Verstappen official webshop logo. It's big enough to see all the details, and it's, well, cheap, if you call 60 euros cheap. Cheap enough to add to your model collection. So I think it's a good, I mean, if this one is 30 or 35 euros and this one is 160 euros, then I think 60 euros is not bad. So yeah, there it is. The Austrian 2022 GP helmet. Max Verstappen, made by Schubert. 60 euros.
Racefan rock!